Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis about crypto and markets. So let's start. What's going on? US and Iran to hold a second round of nuclear talks in Geneva. Today they have some meeting in Geneva and I hope to think that they will meet middle of the way. It looks like that when you're looking at gold or side of silver, because when they not get any value, things goes well, kinda. It's kinda sign. Also, yesterday there was a news about MicroStrategy. They, said some things about Bitcoin. Is that strategy says its Bitcoin can cover 6 billion debt even if Bitcoin falls to 8k, by planning to convert debt into equity over the next few years. So they did say this yesterday, but after people got misunderstood, and also there's a lot of people wrote in X some bad dump about Bitcoin. People get scared. Actually, they made this explanation. They said this just because encourage people about Bitcoin, but I guess while they're making it, they just couldn't think about the other side because it's made kind of food in market. After they explain, they just fix the things. But it would happen in market, that's understandable. Yes, we can also guess Bitcoin like not possible to drop in 8k, not only fundamental side, also technical part. But things happens, that's okay. So what's going on market? We still did not see pretty good move. Yesterday it made some rise, but after dropped, and when it's rise over it, we will see some good things in market. We are still waiting, but I do still hope in this week we will see something else. And others, it's still waiting my target. It's working on my line, and I'm expecting 188 this week. It might be this month, so I do expect this rise. And when I see that, I will see on altcoin as well. On gold, as you see on the news, they get calm. That's why it's affecting badly, but that's okay. Let it go. Just we need some volume inside of crypto because of this gold and silver things, because of this politics issue. We already drop enough, so let's turn our side. I can say that about gold. If it drop over here, till where? Yes, here. Yes, if gold if gold drop over 4,750.49, I do expect a drop till 4,500. This is in bid scenario, and I do hope it's happened because thanks God we earn enough from gold. So it looks like it's gonna drop because it's made lower high, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Let's hope from Iran and USA some good news as well. And on silver, it's As I show you, it's still work inside the channel. It's not make any movement. It's just throwing down slowly. It's not good time to make anything on silver. Bitcoin did some jump yesterday till 70, but it just remained a bit fixed because of news, and it's still working inside of that triangle. So let's see. I don't like when it's touched a lot of time in some triangle or any position, even support and resistance, because that time it's getting weaker. But let's see. I still do hope this in this week. I still do hope rise. Ethereum same as well. It's also touching a lot on their triangles, and I hope it not work like a flag. So we will see. If it's breakdown, we will see 1800 for sure, and if it's just do that, not flamma, we'll see. If it's break up after 2162, we will see some movement, but it's not make sense. Even you can trade inside of this part, as I told you, and it's smaller now. For 2.50 I don't get risk, but just in case I'm keeping over there. BNB did not came, but it's still making up movement, so it looks like it will give that when market get little bullish. And Bitcoin Cash, as you see, yesterday I give second pause, but I'll count it one anyway. We can earn more, no problem. Just I will move. Yes. So I'll mark it as success. Now I am thinking again. Another trial on here. Yeah, like that. Let's move it. It might give that as well, because Bitcoin Cash literally walk different way in market. Yes, let's make 91. You know what, I'll make it little. Yes. Done. I think it will give this. What is that? 5% with low X. Even with 3, that's okay, but up to you. Sol not makes anything. Thanks, Sols. But the things, it's pretty strong if we consider their news and their volume. So I'm not gonna touch till it's touch or break up. For God's sake, for God's sake. 92. I'm not gonna touch Solana till here. After, if it can break up, and in good way, if it break up, for sure it will make just retest, and I'll consider it. XRP is not goes up, it's not drop down, so it's just nothing. And if you consider their news, so it's better to not do anything except those places. I'll skip XLM. Let's just check it up. Yeah, I'll skip it. It's similar with the other one. Yes, do you remember we did earn 30% here? If you don't remember, I'm just gonna show it. So now I can consider another. Yes, like that. we can straight away enter it. Yep, right, it gives 13 percentage, of course with lower X in that market, as I say always. Now I find for you one not makes sense coin. Because as I told you at our past video, in market has different, gosh I gave a lot bay. So when market undecision, really there is have weird things happen, like those kind of coins are moving. That's why it might be better to consider them as well, to instead of making nothing. And it's giving 25 percentage, but of course 1x or spot, because it has almost 5 percentage stop loss. That's why it's better to make it. And also I'll write yes, cause they're kinda dangerous. They has a lot of volatility. That's why that would be best. So is there anything else? No, I guess that's all. So guys, in short, market still waiting some movement, but while this time we have up and down position, so we will move with the waves. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I do expect some things good today. Also there's a meeting. I do have some hope it would be positive, and we will see this in market in Bitcoin good as well. So I'll see you tomorrow.